Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School. Today, I am with you, Tawhida Armana, Senior Teacher English, Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. I will take class on English for today, and my class is for the students of class 6. Dear students of class 6, how are you? How is everything going on? I think all of you are hale and hearty and very much busy with your studies, isn't it? I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, let's begin our today's class. Look at the picture. What do you see? Various types of items. You can see various types of items are available here, like fruits, vegetables, all kinds of grocery, dairy products, various kinds of dry items. We can say almost all kinds of items are available here. So, can you tell me what kind of shop is it? Yes, this is a grocery shop. Do you know what is a grocery shop? All grocery items are available in a grocery shop, like packaged or fresh seafood, meat or poultry items, fresh vegetables, fresh dairy products or packaged dairy products such as ice cream, frozen yogurt, dessert. We can say almost all kinds of items. In our country, there are also some big grocery shops like Agora, Mina Bazar, Shopno, etc. So, dear learners, our today's topic is grocery shopping. It is in lesson 8. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to use word stress and stress on words in sentences, participate in short dialogues and conversations on familiar topics, read and understand text, ask and answer questions. Okay, now, dear learners, open your EFT book, page number 21. Lesson 8, section A. Here, some guests will visit Imran's house tonight. So Imran's mother will cook dinner for them. She asked Imran to go to the local market. He often forgets to buy the necessary items. So his mother is making a shopping list for him. He is helping his mother make the list. Here is the conversation between Imran and his mother. Now, I am going through the conversation. At first, Imran is saying, "Mom, what do I need to buy?" Mom, "Well, see if we have any potatoes." Imran, "We have some potatoes, but I don't think it's enough." Mom, "Then get half kg of potatoes." How about tomatoes? Imran, "I don't see any tomatoes." Mom, "Are there any other vegetables?" Imran, Yes, there are some beans, carrots, cucumber, and eggplants. That's all. Mom, well, I will need 1 kg of tomatoes, half kg of beans, and 2 cauliflowers. Are there any eggs, dear? Imran, there are only 3 eggs. Maybe I will buy a dozen more. Mom, oh yes, get some sugar and milk and 1 liter of oil. 2. Imran, okay, 1 liter of milk and 1 kg of sugar. Mom, one more thing, dear, you are forgetting your list. Here it is. Imran, oh, thanks, Mom. So, this is the conversation. Now, here is a task for you. It is section A1. You have read the conversation. You have read the conversation above. Now put a tick mark against the items that Imran will buy and put a cross mark against the items he owned. Write the quantity of the items in the last column. The first one is done for you. These are the names of the items that Imran is going to buy from the grocery shop. Here, what you have to do, you have to put a tick mark against the name of the items that Imran will buy, and you have also write down the quantity of that items. And if Imran will not buy any item, then you have to put a cross mark against that item, and in that case you don't have to write the quantity of that item. So let's begin. Here, first one is done for you. Our first item's name is potatoes. There is a tick mark here. It means Imran will buy potatoes and he will buy half kg of potatoes. Second item's name is tomatoes. Here is a tick mark. So we can understand that Imran will buy tomatoes and he will buy 1 kg of tomatoes. Number 3, onions. I have put a cross mark here because Imran will not buy onions. So this portion is blank because he won't buy any onions. Number 4, cauliflower. Here is the tick mark because Imran is going to buy cauliflower and he will buy 2 pieces of cauliflower. Okay? By following this, you have to finish the remaining portion of this table. I think you could do it easily. You have to write down the answer in your exercise copy at home. Okay? Have a look here. This is a dialogue between a salesperson and Imran in a grocery shop. Okay? Here, at first, the salesperson is saying, "Hello, how can I help you?" Imran, "Do you have any beans?" Salesperson, "Yes, we do. How much would you like?" Imran, "I would like half kg. And I will also need 1 kg of tomatoes, 2 kgs of potatoes, 2 cauliflowers, a dozen of eggs, and some salt." Salesperson, "Do you need oil, sir?" Imran, "Yes, I need a liter of oil." Salesperson, "Do you need anything else?" Imran, let me check. Looks at the list. "Oh yes, could I have some sugar and milk?" Salesperson, "Sure. How much milk do you want? Imran, just 1 liter and 1 kg of sugar, please. Salesperson, okay, let me find all the items for you. Imran, thanks. Please put them in a paper or jute bag. Salesperson, sure, we don't use plastic bags here. Here you go. I have put all the items here. Imran, thank you. How much is the total? Salesperson, the total comes to taka 535. Imran, where is 550? Salesperson, thank you. Here is the change, 15 taka. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye. So, this is the conversation in a grocery shop between a salesperson and Imran. Okay. Have a look here. It is section B1. Discuss the following questions in pairs. These questions are related to section B. So what you have to do, you have to go through the text in section B again and try to find out the answer of these questions. Go through the text again carefully. Okay, dear learners, I am helping you to preparing the answers. Here is our first question. How many items did Imran buy? From the text in section B, we easily know that Imran bought 9 items. Those are beans, tomatoes, potatoes, cauliflowers, salt, eggs, sugar, oil, and milk. Okay. Now, come to question number B. What varieties of vegetables were available in the market? You could write like this. You could start like this. Various types of vegetables were available in the market, like beans, tomatoes, potatoes, cauliflowers, etc. Here is question C. Why do you think Imran asked the salesman to use a paper bag? Discuss with your class friends and then write down 1 or 2 reasons. Here, I think, here is the answer. I think Imran asked the salesman to use a paper bag because it is environment friendly and very much easy to carry. You could write down another reasons according to your choice or appropriate for using a appropriate reason for using paper bags. Okay. Now, question number D. Thank you. Here is the change. What does the word change mean here? Here, the word change means the extra money. That means extra amount of money which one returns when the payment is more than the required amount. Okay, dear learners, write down the answer of these questions, that is section B1. Complete the task in your at home in your copy. Write down the answer of each question in your copy. Okay. Now I am moving to my next slide. Here is section B2. Read the sentences or phrases in the 8 speech bubbles. Put them in the right order 1 to 8 to write down the conversation in your notebook. Here are 8 conversations. All the conversations are in jumbled order. You have to write them in correct order. Okay? And you have to write down them in a correct order as a dialogue. I think it will be very much easier for you. You can do it easily. You can compare your answer with me. Here is the answer I have prepared for you. Let's match your answer with me. Number first, the girl, excuse me. Number 2, the salesman, yes. How can I help you? Number 3, the girl, I want to buy an ice cream. Number 4, the salesman, sure, there you go. Number 5, the girl, how much is it? Number 6, the salesman, 20 taka. Number 7, the girl, here you are. And number 8, the salesman, thank you. Okay? This is the correct order. Now I am moving to my next slide. Here is section C. Here is the instruction. Let's read the instruction. Discuss in pairs how you talk about quantities when you go shopping. Match the phrases in column A and the items in column B below to make an imaginary shopping list. Write down the list in your notebook. Here, one phrase may match more than one items. Okay? So, dear learners, in column A, there are some phrases. In column B, these are the name of the items. You have to match the items with these phrases in column A. Here, one phrase may match more than one items. Let's try. Here, first one, a can of. What will be the answer? Yes, a can of Coke. Then, a loaf of. We know that a loaf of bread. Now, here, a packet of what? A packet of pencils or chocolates. Okay? A packet of pencils or chocolates. Now, what will be the answer here? A tube of, try it, a tube of toothpaste. Then, here I have not written the item's name here. You will try this at home. The remaining portion, you have to try this at home and write down your copy. Okay? Although you will write down in your copy, I am helping you. I am trying to help you. A tube of, you can write down your tube of toothpaste. Then you have to finish this remaining portion. Okay. Here is section C1. Look at your shopping list again. Can you say which items are available in what kind of shops? There are different shops such as the grocers, bakers, the stationers, etc. selling different things. Put the items under the proper headings in the table below. Here, what you have to do in section C, we have write down the name of some items. We have matched the item's name with the phrase in column A, like a can of Coke, a loaf of bread, a tube of toothpaste, a dozen of eggs, etc. So you have to you have to choose different items, and you have to select which items will be appropriate for each column. Like a dozen of eggs is available in a grocer's shops. Okay, a loaf of bread is available in bakers, and a tube of paint is available in a stationer's. Okay, like this you have to put the items in this column. Now here is a language focus, some and any. We use some with positive statements. Example, I have got some photographs, I need some milk. We use any with negative statement. Example, I haven't got any photographs, I don't see any student there. We use any with questions. Example, have you got any photograph? Is there any water in the jug? Okay, these are the rules we can use some or any in positive sentences and in negative sentences and in questions. These are the rules. So what we have to do, by following these rules, we have to fill in the blanks in section E. Fill in the blanks with some or any, the rules that we have just learned. Number 1, are there dash flowers in the garden? What will be the answer? Yes, you have to write any here, because this is a positive statement. Here is the positive answer. Yes, there are some roses and some lilies. Now, number 3, what about jasmines? Are there dash jasmines? Are there any jasmines? Now, number 4, no, there are not any jasmines. I have put here any because this is a negative statement. Number 5, do you have dash idea why I am asking you all this? Do you have any idea why I am asking you all this? Because this is a question here. That's why I have used any here. Is it clear to you, dear learners? Okay, learners, I am at the end of my class. So, goodbye. See you. And again, thank you for watching my class. Allah Hafiz.